Trumpy, what are you doing? I want to open my box. Huh? What you doing? Huh? You're looking for some attention. I'm not allowed to open my box.
Hey, g'day. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Just want to start off by thanking Paul for sending me this rocks from Australia. It took a while here in Dubai. There was some confusion of how to deliver it. Firstly, they said that the address wasn't there, but clearly the address is here. But I think the problem is that the mobile number wasn't on it, and everything in Dubai works on mobile numbers. So next time we'll know. But luckily our mail room for the company that I work with, they were quite jacked up and they managed to track it and get it delivered. So Paul, let me open it up. You asked for an unboxing video and here it comes. Okay, so you did an excellent job by closing it up. Let's see, I hope I'm on the right side. This out of the way. Let's see what's inside. And it's almost like a lucky packet. I was waiting for this for a long time. Alright, let's get the water close by. This looks like some vegetated mookaite. Beautiful rock. Even some iron in there. Looks like it. Might be wrong. This one, Australian crazy lace agate. Some nice beautiful banding there. Some fortification. Here we have some moss opalite. I'm impressed by the large pieces that you have seen, Paul. Really, I am. Wow, this is beautiful. I think it is praise, green color. I hope I'm right. Stunning. By the looks of it, it might be Norina Jasper. Massive chunk. Now in total this is 10 kilograms. I have an empty 12-pound barrel. But 10 kilograms is 20 pounds, so yeah, I'll have to make a plan. Huh? Some more mookaite. This is beautiful. Tiger iron with a big piece of tiger's eye there. I assume this is the iron part, bottom. Surely looks like it. Some more crazy lace agate. Just love the colors. Oh, this is absolutely stunning. This is one of the things that I was really waiting for. Banded iron. Really stunning. Not sure if this is mookite, red mookite, or banded rhyolite. I think it might rather be banded rhyolite. Paul, you'll have to help me out if I'm wrong here. Some more tiger iron. Australian Crazy Lakes agate. Beautiful colors in this mookite. Yes, I think this is the banded rhyolite that you also think it is. I'm not sure. Let's go with it. Beautiful color in this mookite. Some pink, yellow, red, almost purple. Oh, this one is a mystery rock. You will have to help me out with this one. Sure looks like a seam, formed in a seam. See the matrix rock still at the sides. Okay, so let me know. I'm also unsure about this one. Looks like mookite. Might be wrong. Oh, and a beautiful, massive piece of opalite, dendritic opalite. Really beautiful. Some amethyst. Nice and solid piece. Some yellow opalite. Looking forward to the sprays. I've never seen such beautiful green color, so this will be a first for me. Some more sprays. Looks almost like the banded tiger iron, but I'm not so sure. Yes, I think it is. trays. And I would say that this is banded iron formation. Let me get my magnet. Definitely magnetic, but it has to be iron. Yeah, this is banded iron formation. And this looks like Marina Jasper. See, it's very close to Mookite. Might even be Mookite, but again, Paul, help me right. Oh, this is definitely tiger iron. It's a beautiful rock. Wow. Almost would not want to go and tumble this one. It's just beautiful as a specimen. Again, this mystery rock, which I haven't got a clue what it is. Something that forms within a seam. And this looks like the banded rhyolite. Yes, and small little bits and pieces in the box. Paul, just want to thank you again. Really awesome. And let's see, it will take a while. Thanks, me mate. Take care. Bye.